Comalcalco is a place born and bred out of cocoa. The name itself comes from the comal, a tool used by the Aztecs back in the day to roast the ancient Mesoamerican crop. Today, Comalcalco, located in Tabasco, remains one of the last areas in Mexico where cocoa is still grown in a traditional and sustainable way. Surrounded by vibrant tropical rainforest, in the heart of it is Hacienda La Luz. This third-generation hacienda is run by a collaborator of the Cocoa Circle and a friend, Anna Walter.
What I really want to do is to preserve the place.
Yeah.
For me, preserving a cacao plantation is a way to preserve a jungle.
Yeah.
Because cacao plantation, as you saw it, is a jungle. You need to have the shade of the big trees in order for the cacao to grow and produce.
How can people that don't necessarily live in the jungle help preserve the jungle? Because for them, for us, it's important too.
It's very important to know where you put your money. I mean, what chocolate did you buy?
Yeah.
Did you buy a chocolate for a big company that took the cacao from Africa? And in Africa, it's a problem to have cacao because cacao is not from Africa, it's not endemic. So, what kind of company you are helping?
Hacienda La Luz is one of Mexico's oldest cocoa farms and represents the gold standard for sustainable farming. Here it's not just about growing cocoa, it's about preserving the original jungle, a demonstration of nature and all of its elements existing symbiotically. Anna takes us through the 26 hectares of rainforest surrounding her hacienda. Along the way, sharing insights into cocoa's natural ecosystem, the effects of climate change, and what's at stake.
The small one on top. There's a smaller one there, a mini one on the top there. Oh no, that's a squirrel.
Yeah, that's a squirrel. This is a monkey.
This is a monkey. When the rain falls, when there's rain season, where do they get their water?
The water?
Yeah.
From the, there are a lot of bromelias.
Yeah.
And different kind of orchideas.
Okay. That keep the water.
Yeah.
Ah.
They keep the water like this. Bromelia is the leaves like this.
Yeah.
So you keep the water and they can drink the water for them, for the plants. Yes.
Do they figure that out with the buckets?
Yes. They look for the water, yes. And of course, we have the cacao plantation just here, beside the factory.
It's not common to have a factory, yeah? No.
It's not only common, it's crazy. Our cacao plantation is a very old cacao plantation.
How old?
It's 47 years.
47 years old?
Yes. Instead of having 1,100 trees per hectare, we have only 600. So we need to plant more trees.
Yeah.
And also we need to plant young trees because these are very old trees. When you have old trees, you have less production.
But you buy them?
No, I make myself. I plant it because I want to preserve my cacao.
Your own cacao,
Yes,
okay.
of course. But right now, this year is a very bad year to make that because the dry period is too long. We have had in this situation 2 or 3 times in the past, but no so bad.
Not so bad.
No so bad as this year. You can see this is another kind of cacao, you see?
What is it called?
This is a Trinitario and hybrid. This is a hybrid cacao.
Trinitario.
Trinitario is like a word that we use in some places to define the cacao that is a hybrid, because the first time that we had a hybrid in the history was in Trinidad and Tobago. So we say Trinitarios to all the cacaos that are hybrid. But the truth is that the hybrids of Trinidad are not the same hybrids here. Yes, it's different. Before that, we had Middle American cacaos, Mesoamerican cacaos, South American cacaos.
Yeah.
Here in the plantation, you can see different varieties. You are going to see how different they are. The iguana, he doesn't move because he thinks that we don't see him if he doesn't move. We have a lot of different animals in danger of extinction, as you can see, because we are like a rainforest.
Yeah.
A cacao plantation preserved like this,
Yeah.
we call this a domesticated jungle.
Uh-huh.
This is not an economic cacao plantation made just to have cacao. This is to preserve the original jungle. So we really want to preserve it because we have lost, in Tabasco, we have lost the 98% of our original jungle.
98%.
98% of
Wow.
original jungle. Because we have the oil industry here, because we have, cows, a lot of cows, because the growing of the people and cities.
So a jungle like this, when you say you preserve it, do you have to do some activities to keep it like
Yes,
so?
yes.
Like what?
For example, right now we planted different trees. I don't know if you can see them. Some trees that we need to plant it because we need more shade, for example.
More shit. Okay.
So we plant fruits.
Ah, okay.
Not
Which ones?
right now we planted a bread tree.
Okay,
It's the
what about
family of the jackfruit and the durian and the tropical chestnut.
Ah,
The same family.
okay.
We
And
also-
does it get big like?
Yes, it's very big for the shade. We also plant, for example, mangoes, caimitos, that is a typical fruit,
Yeah.
tropical fruit,
Caimitos.
caimitos.
Oh.
Yes, and we also plant zapotes and different fruits for the monkeys, for the iguanas, for the birds, for all the animals that we have. This is a small cacao tree. This is another small cacao tree, another cacao tree, cacao tree.
How long does it take for this to become this?
Like 5 years.
5. Okay.
4 to 5
Okay,
years,
5.
something like that. This is something that we need to live here because this is, for the pollinators.
Is it like a?
Look here.
Yeah.
Can you see the flower over here?
Ah, okay.
This is the flower of the cacao flower.
Okay.
Cacao flower is so tiny
Yeah.
that not even the bees can pollinate this. The main pollinator is a little fly called Forsypomia. But Forsypomia is so tiny that is, for them, sun and heat are very dangerous.
Yes.
So they need to go inside, the forest and the leaves and the dry leaves in order to protect themselves. If this flower is not pollinated, we are not going to have cacao. This is the South American cacao.
Okay.
This is
Not
from
a hybrid.
Ecuador.
Not a
Not a hybrid. This is from Ecuador. We have squirrels.
Ah, they eat it. Okay. When is harvesting?
We already harvest a little, but we don't have rain, so we don't have cacao. We need to wait until the rainy season is. And I don't know when this is going to happen, We used to know when the rain comes,
How?
in May the 3rd, there is a special tradition. There is here in Mexico, we call that day the day of the cruise. In that day, it always rains,
Except for this year.
except for this year and the last year also. And the other date is May 14 or 15.
Yeah.
Because it's San Isidro Day. San Isidro is the saint of the rain here, Comalcalco exactly.
Oh,
And we need to cut the first pods of the harvest season
yeah.
to take them to the church, to give the pods to San Isidro to ask him for rain. But San Isidro has lost it,
Traditionally, cocoa cultivation in Tabasco relied on the region's abundant rainfall for healthy yields, without the need for human intervention. But that's now changing. In the summer of 2023, Mexico experienced one of the most severe droughts in recorded history. As the effects of climate change continue to grow, rainfall patterns are becoming erratic, and water is becoming increasingly scarce. Some farmers are turning to irrigation systems, which come with their own set of demands and challenges.
Less cacao, less rain. And so cacao plantations here in Tabasco, you need to use irrigation system. Then you have the solution to have cacao. Yes, maybe I have the solution to have cacao, but I have another problem because we are going to need a lot of water. It's 33,000 hectares of cacao in Tabasco. That right now, they don't need water. If I begin to use irrigation system, then we are going to need a lot of water.
Yeah.
So we need to think as humanity, we need to think the problem and the root of the problem.
Yeah.
The problem is that the weather is changing and it's becoming extreme. You know, in some parts there is no rain, and some others there is a lot of floods.
Too much rain.
Too much rain.
Yeah.
We are the ones that are making that to happen. We call this the grandfather.
Yeah.
Grandfather show us how things should be. The roots are on the surface because we have a lot of water in this in this place. So the water is from the surface deep. We have the water like 8 meters from the deep,
Okay.
8 meters from the surface. Okay.
Okay.
So they don't need these kind of trees. They don't need to have yes.
Yeah. They have water from.
On the surface, and that is good. But that is bad when you have a lot of rain and you have wind, because the trees fell. They don't have enough,
Oh, really?
the roots are not so deep.
Okay. Yeah.
But they show you how things should be done. Come here. Can you see this?
Yes. Is that?
Can you see this? This is almost as a hand. You see over there? This is a caucho tree, this is a red cedar, and this is a mango manila. All of them
Together.
are together like this. When there is there is wind, then one help each other to remain like this and not to fail. So the main lesson we can learn from nature is that the only way that we have to preserve it in this planet is working together, cooperation between different species.
Mm-hmm.
This tree is not looking for another red cedar to take care of it. He's taking care of every other tree here. And they are taking care of him.